Hey everybody, it's me again, Holly Roberts Merrell, and I'm so grateful for the chance I have to read my book to you today titled The Power of I Am. And most of us don't realize how powerful our thoughts and our words are. So hopefully today, through listening to this book, you get a better idea of how powerful they actually are. Did you know that two of the most powerful words in the world are I am? But what really makes them powerful are the words that follow. I am happy. I am sad. I am awesome. I am mad. I am tired. I am sick. I am slow. I am quick. You see, the words that follow and the way that we feel create what we experience. They actually become real. The more you say them, the more they'll sink in. They'll gain more power and they'll help you to win. But it works both ways, for the good and the bad. So you can choose to say, I am happy, or you can choose to say, I am sad. If you say to yourself, I am stupid, or I am dumb, do you feel good inside, or do you feel like you're scum? You can't say bad things and expect to feel good. If you think you can do this, then you've misunderstood. You see, the words I am, spoken in thought or in word, they don't go unnoticed. They're always heard. You may think they're just words and they don't mean a lot, but they have much more power than you've ever thought. You see, our thoughts, feelings, and words are actually the source of what happens in life. They determine our course. I grew up not knowing the power I had, that I could determine whether I was happy or sad. I used the I ams, but in the wrong way. Here are some I ams that I used to say. I am worthless. I am scared, and I don't fit in. I am not as good as her or him. I am ugly. I am bashful. I am shy and alone. Oh, how I wish these things I had known. But now that I've learned them, I've made a big change, and the things that I want are actually in range. Life will have many ups, but it will still have its downs. We'll have many smiles, and we'll have many frowns. Bad things happen, that's just a fact. But we still get to choose just how we'll react. Don't forget there is power behind your words and your thoughts. And remember that you are the one calling the shots. It's your life you're living, and you get to choose by your thoughts and your words, whether you win or lose. So say, I am awesome, amazing, and cool. These two words I am are a powerful tool. But when used the wrong way, they don't come from the heart. And these two simple words can tear you apart. So apply what I've taught and do your best to remove all the negative words, and your life will improve. If you need some ideas about words you can use, in these next pages, I'll give you some helpful clues. You can use these ones, or think of your own, or put them together, and your list will have grown. There's no right answer, just give it a try. You can pick ones you like. You get to decide. Hey guys, I hope this book has been helpful. If it has, please share it, pass it on to others. Also, if you would subscribe to my channel, that'll keep you updated on all my new books and videos coming out. You could also go to my website at hollyrobertsmerrell.com for any updated and new information. Thanks guys, have a great day.